You guessed it, we are throwing a Halloween party. We made little ice cubes that are X's and skulls. So fun. Good morning. I am having a really cruddy day, but I'm in trouble because we are hosting a Halloween party. Why? Because we planned it a long time ago and we didn't know that I'd be in a cruddy mood. I'm going to the gym. Hopefully this puts an end to my cruddy mood. I think I just have an attitude problem.
Would you get like the teacher like calling home being like, yeah, she's got a bit of an attitude?
Exactly.
Holy shit.
Get ready with me for my Halloween party. I am in a grumpy mood. Actually, I think it's gone. Wow, okay. A good shower and the gym really helped. Now let's get ready. First, I'm gonna do my skincare. And I have a couple surprise skincare things, so I'm not gonna speed through it. So first and foremost, I got this moisturizer because my moisturizer that I was using, the Omega Water Cream by the Yankee List, finished. I had to try this. I love this so far. The bottle is so cute and convenient, and there's something about the click. And then when I pump, it turns into a flower. Isn't that cute? Let's speed things up now. I had to stop getting ready for like 5 seconds because I had to make my husband's breakfast, but my hair is looking real good. I love this brush attachment that Dyson made. It's fantastic, amazing. It doesn't snag my hair too much, and it also styles it really well. I'm currently changing my part because I feel like I'm getting bald on the area that I part my hair always. So I have changed my part just to let that area recover a little bit, you know? From the last time, I actually cut a couple of little like pieces in the front that are face framing, and I feel like I did kind of low-key a good job. I'm actually really proud. Maybe I should clip this part back so it maintains the volume. Let's go make some lunch because we are starving. My sandwich has cucumbers, tofu, onions, tomatoes, lettuce, and an Italian dressing. Got some pumpkins for our friends to carve. Our carving tools are out. Everything is ready to go. I can't wait to like this and this. And there's one more. This up. And my husband hung this ghosty right there. I think that was a nice touch. We're also playing Ghost Lofi in the background with some lights that sparkle. So I've decided to cook the chorizo again, and I'm gonna do it in the rice cooker this time. I'm definitely not ready. I am running around like a chicken. I'm going to go ahead and pick up the pizza. Then I have to do my makeup and hair and put on my outfit. At least the food that I made is super convenient. It just like is a chili, so it can be warm by the time everyone's ready to eat. So at least that's going well. I have acquired the pizza now. I have to drive back Let's go. We had a problem with our oven for a really long time. It wouldn't close properly, but my friend just fixed it. Apparently there was an entire part missing that she added to the bottom of it, and now it works. I just have to do a little bit of makeup and then we should be good to go. So that's good. Now that I have my sunscreen on, I'm gonna do some concealer all together. These are all from Say Beauty. So the ice cubes we got are actually X's and skulls.
Yes. I have ginger ale in the fridge.
Ooh. So cute. This is the pièce de résistance.
It's on fire. It's too much on fire. I'm gonna use a different one.
Oh.
So it didn't do that to me last time.
Round 2.
There we go. That's better.
Okay, we got a little distracted because we were making drinks, but now I'm back. I'm gonna do blush now. I like using the Say Beauty blush in Cutie. I have learned my lesson. Now I use my sponge in the blush first. The application is just more natural this way. Okay, I was a little too natural. Maybe I'll get a dense brush of some sort. Okay, that's so much better. Bubby, when are you seeing and getting here? Go.
This is the home fit.
But I'm just gonna
Cheers!
Milk.
Yeah, milk! Ooh.
Is it like just plain milk?
What's better, cats or dogs?
Oh. Yeah, I don't know why you want to do it with your hands. You're all pumpkined out?
Yeah.
What did you do?
Meaning I'm on
I don't know what to do. Halloween.
Huh?
For some reason, this one's giving me trouble.
You should ask it nicely.
I don't care about this milk.
We're gonna save the pumpkin seeds
No,
to
no, 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 no.
make
I was
them
cracking.
later.
I was like,
What did I scrape my pumpkin well, Bobby?
yes, incredibly well. I couldn't have done it better.
Sure.
Yeah.
Let's see yours.
It's
Still goopy. I did a good job.
Oh, okay.
Still goopy. I did a good job. I wonder what you're making. Mochi.
Matcha flavored mochi.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you so much. They're like drugs. You're like passing them out at this Halloween party. ASMR. ASMR.
A few balls are like. Do you wanna?
Num num num.
That one's bubble tea flavor.
They're so good, and they're so much better than the ones we got from Japan. So soft, right?
It's like eating a pillow.
Hugging.
I see you.
Do you guys have like Instagram or like? Yeah, I don't know.
And I am winding down for the night because I am freaking tired. Let's go. I feel like it might be easier just to like straight up shower. It's that fun time in the evening again where I get to tuck into bed. Wow, what a day. What a day. I learned that when I'm in a bad mood, I should go to the gym because it'll help me with that. And then when I get back, I'll be in a good mood. I also learned that I should be social even though it is mentally draining, but it can be fun. I did love seeing all my friends. But now it is time for rest. All right. Good night, everyone.